Difference between chia seeds and basil seeds. Today we are pitting two super seeds against each other, chia seeds and basil seeds. Chia seeds are native to Central America, whereas basil seeds, also known as sabja or takmeria seeds, are native to India and Middle East. Chia seeds are oval and come in various colors such as black, brown and white. Basil seeds are tear-shaped and are usually black. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and various micronutrients. Basil seeds are also a good source of fiber, protein and fats, but they have slightly fewer omega-3s compared to chia seeds. Chia seeds are known for improving heart health, stabilizing blood sugar and supporting weight loss. Basil seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, can help in relieving stress and are beneficial for skin health. Chia seeds tend to be pricier than basil seeds. For more information, visit our website itastoworldhealth.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.